Hey, assalamualaikum everyone. I don't know about you guys, but I think BONK is ready for the next move up. Yes. Um, if you have watched the previous BONK videos, I've told you about this neckline and the inverse head and shoulder neckline. And it's totally okay to really come down and retest. That's totally okay. And as far as I'm concerned, I do recognize these candles. And if you don't know anything about technicals, in simple human words, these are really good candles. And they signify, especially on the 4-hour time frame, when you make this many candles showing that you're not ready to move even lower, that means something good is really happening. Okay? And I'm going to tell you what exactly you might expect right now for BONK. If I show you the RSI, number one, you're moving down. Number two, you're moving up. This is a bullish divergence, okay? Bullish divergence, and especially not only that, but you also have turned what was your resistance up here into a support zone. So when you break the resistance and you turn it into support the coin. Always support the coin, okay? You're doing technical analysis. That's the best possible chances and the best thing you can actually do as a technical analyst. Now, another thing is that you're making in a pattern right now, and I do believe that eventually you're breaking above the pattern here, and you may trade putting a stop loss down at 2.566, and eventually from here you may actually start to see a move back up, and you could even look at a target, future near target of 3200, and then from here, if things get even better, we might actually continue to start to go back up to this 4500 target right there. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.